Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make medical coding simple and clear. Today we are diving into some quick fire medical terminology questions which is perfect for CPC exam preparation. Medical terms are the key to understanding procedure notes, diagnosis reports and assigning the correct codes. So let's start. First question, what does the prefix aniso mean? Option A large, option B different, option C 3, option D unequal. The correct answer is option D unequal. The prefix aniso means not equal. It is commonly used in medical and scientific terms to indicate unevenness or inequality in size, shape or distribution. Next question. What does it mean to place a patient prone position? Option A, face up or palms up. Option B, on the left side facing down. Option C, face down or palms down. Option D, on the right side facing forward. The right answer is option C, face down or palms down. Placing a patient in prone position means they are lying flat on their stomach with their face down and palms typically facing down. Remember that prone position is the opposite of supine position, where the patient lies on their back with their face and palms up. Next question. A ventriculomyectomy is performed on which body system? Option A, cardiovascular. Option B, musculoskeletal. Option C, integumentary. Option D, nervous. The right answer is option A. It is performed on the cardiovascular system. Ventriculomyectomy is a surgical procedure involving the removal of thickened muscle tissue from the ventricular wall of the heart. This procedure directly targets the ventricles. Next question. Hodgkin's disease is an example of which type of tumor? Option A, lymphoma. Option B, sarcoma. Option C, myoma. Option D, adenoma. Hodgkin's disease is also known as Hodgkin lymphoma. Hodgkin lymphoma is a type of lymphoma which is a cancer that originates in the lymphatic system, specifically in white blood cells. Next question. What does hexocyclium refer to? Option A diagnosis, B, a procedure, option C, a syndrome, and option D, a drug. The correct answer is option D, a drug. Hexocyclium is a drug that was used to treat gastrointestinal disorders such as peptic ulcers and diarrhea. Next question. Which term refers to a pregnancy to which an embryo grows outside the uterus? The correct answer is option C, ectopic. An ectopic pregnancy occurs when a fertilized egg implants and begins to grow outside the uterus, most commonly in the fallopian tube. This condition can be life-threatening if untreated, as the growing embryo may rupture surrounding tissues and it may cause internal bleeding. Next question. Which procedure is used to create an opening of the ileum to the outside of the body? Option A, colostomy. Option B, nephrostomy. Option C, ileostomy. Option D, arthrocentesis. The correct answer is ileostomy. Option C. Ileostomy is a surgical procedure that creates an opening from the ileum to the outside of the body through the abdominal wall. So here are few important medical terminologies. The term distal refers to a point that is farther away from the center of the body or the point of origin of a structure. Salpingo refers to fallopian tubes. Lipo refers to fat. Ad means towards. Emesis refers to vomiting. Megalo means enlarged. Retro means behind. Procto refers to rectum. Flexion means the action of bending, and sebum refers to sweat. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow coders and subscribe to my channel.